Yes, he killed Giggles. Hold up, bro thinks he's slick. Oh, glitch abuser! Glitch abuser! Run, little cat! Run, dog!
Oh, my PC! Shit, I don't even use it anymore. You're still using it? No wonder we're fucking.
I can shoot them shots like 2K, my G.
Yeah, me too. Get better at this game, kid. Damn, you guys are cheating.
Dang, you're using that glitch
We're
abuser.
not using any glitches.
Holy moly, you sound worse than Purple God. Oh my god.
Imagine using the glitch.
I was using the glitches so I don't get freaking teamed on.
That's crazy.
Get teamed on.
Even Frosty and Zoro will be mad at you.
That made no sense.
They're
You use
targeting
glitches
me,
did
bro.
not get teamed on. That's retarded.
Listen here, buddy. You started it all. You started bugging all those glitches when we were at a 1v1 too. So you're not using glitches to escape. You're just using them because you need help.
And X.
I want to mess with Giggle. Why? I'm the best sniper in the game.
Listen. Chaos could get on and destroy you too.
Yeah, you can kill me. I'm fine.
I'm on leaderboard.
Good boo. I'm a good boy. Shut up.
Just because you're in the leaderboard does not make you a god.
Does not mean
And I think he's gonna leave.
Matt said he was like the best sniper in the game, or what up? You did. Yeah, you see, he said that to me, bro. He didn't see that to me.
The best at glitcher? That's crazy. I do agree. Best at glitcher.
Best at sniping everything. Like 7 times.
Yo, you man, stop shooting me, bro. I'll give you chimichangas or something to stop shooting.
Dumplings is crazy. Bro, I'm not Chinese.
I'll let you hit if you don't kill me. I'll let you hit.
I want some.
Like, what do you want? It's fine. I'll give you
I'll let you hit if you don't kill me.
They tell me I. Wait, is he just stay still in the lobby?
Yeah, he's in the lobby. He No, he's still. Oh yeah, he left. He looks like a cat.
I'm trying.
Wait.
Hey, banana.
No.
You been killing me the whole time?
Mod me.
And you know, you've been trying the whole time.
Nah, he just left the server because he's mad. That's crazy.
Hey, Jake, I hit you like a no. You better not. Is any bitch to talk to him? You better hide your sister from him. Hey, let me text you. Mod ban him. Mod ban him. That's crazy.
Hey, this kid.
Wait. I could have. If I was recording, I could have just sent that to the Discord.
I was recording right now. I'm sending this to the Discord, bro.
I'm recording.
I'm sending this to the Discord because little bro cannot keep on getting caught
I'm sorry,
leaving.
but I can't send it because I don't got enough phone in my.
Dang,
That
that's
is
it.
wild, though. Like,
But I do. Shit. I'll report it to the Discord.
you can make both glitches at a time.